What's up, everybody? It's move-in day today here in Grillville. This is the Pit Boss Champion. It's a barrel smoker. We can get this thing unboxed, put together, and see what it's all about. Let's get to it. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandon Carpenter. You're watching BKC Cooks. Today I am unboxing the Champion from Pit Boss. This is a barrel smoker. It uses charcoal and or pellets. And I'm excited to get this thing open, see what it's all about. I want to thank the good folks over at Pit Boss for sending this out to me so I could check it out. I haven't done a barrel grill, a vertical barrel like this before. Something I've been interested in. So I'm excited to get this thing open, get it put together, and see what it's all about. So we're going to do just that, man. We're going to open up this box, see what we need as far as tools, and we'll get cranking away on this thing. My son is helping me. He's behind the camera today, but he's going to be helping me get this thing together. Does weigh quite a bit. They definitely recommend you have 2 people. And yeah, I think we're going to get this together in short order. Shouldn't take much, but I'm excited. Let's get to it. So yeah, again, the first thing, y'all, we gotta get this thing out the box, man. So I'm actually trying to see, I think I can just lift this off the bottom, and that would be ideal. Yep, I think this is gonna lift straight up. Okay, well, I'll tell you what, this is mostly assembled, if not all the way assembled. Let's finish unpacking, see what we're up against. It's definitely packaged well. They're definitely doing everything they can to ensure that there won't be any damage to your unit once you get it home. But again, y'all, this thing does look mostly assembled. I'm sure we'll have to move some racks and stuff around, but yeah, doesn't seem like there's going to be a whole lot to do. So this appears to be one of the vent stacks, and this appears to be the other. This is what helps control your airflow and your temperature. So yeah, y'all, I can't imagine there's gonna be a whole lot to put together here. Get those parts. I always recommend that you have a garbage can or some container to put all your trash in. In this case, I'm just throwing everything right in that box, and I'll just set that out on my curb, make things easy, but gotta get this out of here. So this is when you need 2 people. Come on, son, give me a hand with this. All right, so we got that all out of the box and everything. Get this opened up. So these are some of the features on the Champion. You have the adjustable chimney. This is a feature I really like. There's basically a dolly that's built into the unit. So there'll be wheels and handles that are in line. And you know, I needed a dolly to get this box over here, but you won't need one to move it around because it's basically built right onto the unit. Easy access for charcoal and all your fuel there on the bottom. Cool touch handles. Folding side shelves. Side shelves are always great, but especially when they fold out of the way. And the cooking grates are porcelain. I think that's really cool. It's trying to deal with cast iron grates. It can be a bear sometimes. And I have been enjoying cooking on the porcelain ones that I have, but let's get these parts out of here. This is the diffuser. So anytime you have these vertical units, you definitely need some type of diffuser to stop just all the direct heat from blasting straight up. And that one looks like it's going to really regulate airflow. So yeah, this is getting into the small parts and such. So boxes, see some bolts, nuts, stuff like that. So we'll get the rest of this out of here and get this thing finished up. All right, y'all, so there's a bunch of little styrofoam bits and dots and such in here. And I'm going to attempt to blow this out. I don't want to deal with that. I don't want it in my food. And I don't want it melting when I do my burn in. So I'm just going to use my little battery powered leaf blower. Oh boy, that door is heavy, man. I thought that door was going to be light. That door is got some weight to it. Yeah. Another one of my genius ideas. Make sure you're keeping count, because I certainly am. All right, so, son, we got to do the unthinkable now. You know what that is? No. Before the assembly, we have to read the instructions. Don't tell your grandfather. Dad, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but we have to read the instructions. Let's get to it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. All right, y'all, the first step is you gotta put these really cool wheels on there. Got Pit Boss on the rims. I think that's pretty cool. And I like these rubberized plastic type deals. As you can see, they're made for support, so I think it's gonna hold up really nicely. But we'll pop these on. Just goes on with a couple pins, some cotter pins. This will only take a second. All right, wheels are spinning freely. Time to pop this thing back up and get the rest of these parts installed. So yeah, this is gonna shape up to be a really easy assembly. The only tool you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and the instructions are laid out really well, and it's letting you know exactly what you need, and most of it is just screws and washers. And even on some of the parts like the handles, things like that, those particular washers or nuts or anything you need, they kind of come pre-assembled on there, so you don't have to do a whole lot of guessing on what's supposed to be where. Everything's lining up nicely. Don't feel like I'm cross-threading anything, so I'm happy with that. We've got our chimney on. Just tighten up these screws one last time. So yeah, this is assembling really nicely. And this is the mahogany edition, y'all. I don't know if y'all can really tell, but this color is almost like a, like a mahogany, cherry brown. I like the color of it. It's got like a hammered finish. I think it looks really cool. All right, on to the next step. All right, so this is the lid handle. This is one of the examples I was telling you where the hardware is pre-installed. So again, they are making this like really, really easy. I know what they're doing is they're making it hard to mess up is what they're doing. Did I mention it's hot? It's hot as hell out here. I'm sweating, going crazy, but that's okay. All in the name of barbecue, that's what we do. Now, another smart thing to do when you're taking these off, don't lose them. Don't fumble them. If you have an assistant like I'm fortunate enough to have today, have them hold it or stick them in your pocket or something. But in all this grass I've got out here, if I drop this, good luck. I'll be going to the hardware store. So like I said, y'all, just a Phillips screwdriver to get this put together, and it's going together nicely. I have not struggled with anything. They are making it hard to screw up. It is making life easy. It's also going together in a way that makes me confident this thing is gonna stand up too. Like, it's not flimsy, I can tell you that much. That's good thick steel. This thing not going anywhere anytime soon. right, y'all, we're all done. It's all assembled. It's time to burn this thing in. I'm ready for it to be done, man, because it's hot as can be. I'm a sweaty mess, and I'm ready to see what this thing is gonna do, man. So I'm gonna be using some lump charcoal from the Good Charcoal Company. Good food deserves good charcoal, as do good smokers. But I'm gonna fill up my, well, not fill it up, I'm gonna put some lump charcoal in my charcoal basket. Not a ton, 3 or 4 good handfuls. And I have a tumbleweed fire starter. Look, man, if y'all are still using lighter fluid at this point, like, stop it. Cut it out. Like, come on, man. These things are cheap, they're effective, they're natural. It's just bundles of wax. You don't have that lighter fluid all in your food, all those fumes and such. So I'm gonna get this lit. It lights up instantly. You just pile your, and you can light both sides if you want to. Get things going even faster. Just pile up your charcoal around it. Before you know it, your charcoal will be lit. No need for all that nasty lighter fluid, all those chemicals. So once this is going good, I've already got good smoke, so I know we're in business, but once this is burning good, we'll close it up. We'll adjust these side pipes. Don't know if you can see them from here, but these pipes have little baffles on them. And they're just little swivel caps, and that's what regulates your airflow. That, and of course, the adjustments on your chimney. But these are sucking air into the bottom there of the charcoal basket. So these are the ones that you really have to pay close attention to. And we're gonna make your easiest adjustments, I think. But we'll see, because again, I haven't cooked on it yet, but that's just my guess. So once this gets going full blast, we'll close that up. We're gonna let this thing burn until those charcoals burn out. We'll get everything in here nice and hot, burn off any residue, because just from manufacturing, you know, packaging, stuff like that, you always wanna burn off a new grill. That way you're starting with a clean slate. Anything that might have been left behind, you don't have to worry about that stuff. Door latch shut. Vents are open, and we got smoke. So again, y'all, I'm gonna let this burn off until that charcoal is completely gone. Again, burn off any residue that might be in there. And that's gonna be about it. Do me a favor, y'all, stay tuned for the next video where I'm gonna do my first cook on this one. And also check out our other channel, Black Smoke Barbecue. It's myself and a bunch of other pit masters who do stuff here on YouTube and all over social media. We have a great podcast. We have some really, really good guests, big names that you already know. Check us out at Black Smoke Barbecue, all over the place, YouTube, Instagram, wherever you want to find us, you'll probably find us. So y'all, again, that's gonna burn away. I'm gonna get something cold to drink. Thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all on the next one. It's hot as hell.